Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, and in this lesson tonight, we're going to be working on one word, one little word, and one little word only. And that word is the word on. And the reason we are doing this little word on is because, as you can guess, all of my students have difficulty using this little word. So let's switch over, get the work screen. Here it is. So let's look at it and the many uses of on. All my students have difficulty using the little word on, like I already said. I don't know why. It's really so easy. Here are some of the many ways that we can use this little word. When something or someone is supported by a top surface. It's on the top shelf. You can just leave it on my desk. Don't leave food on the counter. Your coffee is on the table. You see, here it is. Your coffee is on the table. Used to indicate location. There is a lot of dirt on your face. This is dirt all over his face. I have a cut on my leg and a scratch on my arm. It's the most popular dish on their menu. Just add it on my bill. I just started reading the book. I'm only on page 12. Yep, she's only on page 12. Used to demonstrate the means of communication. I just spoke to her on the phone. They announced it on the radio this morning. What's on TV tonight, right? So to demonstrate the means of communication, how people communicate with each other. We can also use it before the days of the week or specific dates or a time of occurrence. Where were you on the night of Tuesday, May 14th? The bank isn't open on Sunday. I can't believe I was sick on my birthday. I'll see you on Wednesday. She was born on Valentine's Day. We always go shopping on Boxing Day, but I don't. I don't go shopping on Boxing Day, never. Too many people for me. It's also used to show involvement or participation in a group or organization. She serves on the school committee. I think there are usually 12 people on a jury. We have new members on our staff. He's on the board of directors. Used to show the directional position of a location. The washroom is upstairs on the left. Turn the switch on the right. It's the third house on the left. These are my twin sisters. Lisa is the one on the right. So this one here would be Lisa. Used to indicate being in possession of something. I don't have a lot of money on me, right? On my personal body. I don't have a lot of money on me. This guy only has a little bit of change in his pockets. Do you have a pen on you? You should always have ID on you. And what's ID? Identification, right? So you should always have ID on you. I got a fine because I didn't have my driver's license on me. Look at this guy looking all innocent. But if he didn't have it, he will get a fine for sure. Used to indicate continuation. I asked him to be quiet, but he kept on giggling. That means he continued to giggle. Sorry for the interruption. You can carry on now. You can't go on living like this. Just keep on smiling. Continue smiling. So I looked all over the internet to find the best smile I could possibly find in a picture. And this is it. This is the best smile on the entire internet. Isn't that a beautiful smile? Certainly is. Used to demonstrate the subject of study. I'm reading a really interesting book on AI, and AI stands for artificial intelligence. His speech was on the urgency of protecting the environment. Her thesis was on the influence of social media. Also used to demonstrate obligation or responsibility. Don't blame it on me. Why are you taking it out on me? These girls are obviously having a disagreement about something. Used with a means of transportation. You can't bring that on the plane. She fell asleep on the bus. I sat beside her on the train. We went for a ride on his motorcycle. Look at that nice motorcycle. Looks like it was a nice ride. Referring to clothing or accessories worn by a person. Put on your shoes. If it goes on your body, you have to say on. So put on your shoes. Why do you have your coat on in the house? Would you like to try it on? Don't forget to put on your lipstick. Look how beautiful she looks with her nice red lipstick. Referring to the continuing use of a medication. Are you on any medication? He has been on painkillers for 2 weeks, but he's still in pain. This poor guy. He looks like he's in a lot of pain. Paid for by someone or offered for free. I'm sorry that your meal was served cold. You don't have to pay. It's on the house. That means it's free. He said that supper is on him tonight. That means he's going to pay for supper tonight. So what's for supper? Oh, a nice hamburger and fries. Looks delicious, doesn't it? And on is also used with these words. Count on. You know, you can always count on me. Don't count on it. On leave. She is on maternity leave for 1 year. He will be on sick leave for 6 months. On fire. Call the fire department. The house next door is on fire. On special. I only buy things when they are on special at the grocery store. Agree on. They can't agree on a price. We never agree on anything. Comment on. He didn't comment on the allegations. I can't comment on that. Depend on. We depend on you for your support. It depends on the weather. On duty. Don't talk to the guard when he is on duty. This guy and his horse. This horse looks a little disheveled. I don't know, looks like he was out in the rain or something. Oh well, he's on duty anyway. On sale. He can buy this coat because it is on sale. Nice coat. On a trip. We will go on a trip next month. Based on. This movie is based on a true story. On vacation. He is on vacation this week. On business. My father is away on business all week. On time. Please be on time for class. On my way. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. To spend money or time on something. She spends a lot of money on clothes, shoes, and makeup. Don't spend too much time on this. On a diet. I can't eat the dessert. I'm on a diet. Used with fuel, an energy source, or food. What do lizards live on in the wild? The toy runs on batteries. You can't live on junk food. My car runs on gas. The generator runs on solar power. I think it runs on natural gas. But this car obviously runs on gas. Appliances or equipment using an electrical supply. The computer doesn't work because it's not on. You left the stove on all day. Can you turn the TV on? Don't leave all the lights on. And that's it. It's as easy as that. So I hope that that cleared up a lot of problems with using the word on. I know, like I said, all of my students make mistakes with that. They try to use different prepositions after certain words, but it's just as easy as that, using on. So if that video helped you, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can put a like on the video and leave a comment down below. If you need to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English by McGraw-Hill, distributed everywhere, especially on Amazon. You can find it. I've always told you to get the 3rd edition, but now I'm going to tell you to look for the 4th edition, which is out just recently. This is a great workbook full of lots of exercises, vocabulary building, grammar, all kinds of stuff that you need to really improve your English. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you need help with your verb tenses, you can get yourself a copy of English Verb Tenses, available everywhere, including Amazon, of course. This is a workbook that will really help you to master your English verb tenses. Everybody tells me that they have difficulty with verb tenses, but it's really very easy. And you'll see that if you do this book from cover to cover, from start to finish, from front to back. Answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. Okay, so that's all I have to say tonight. I hope that lesson helped you. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. So good night for now.